Hi, I'm Richard King and we're back here at the Solar Decathlon. I'm up here in a scissors lift overlooking our village nestled in West Potomac Park on the National Mall. The teams have been building these houses for the past 5 days and they only have 2 days left to get their houses competition ready. They're excited, they've been working around the clock. As you can see maybe in the background, they've got the major parts of their houses done now and they're just doing the fine finishing pieces, painting, putting moldings up, getting that washing machine installed in their kitchens, things like that. As soon as they get their electrical inspections done, they can get grid connected. Many of them are getting their photovoltaic arrays connected, so they'll be producing electricity into their house. As soon as they get all their inspections ready, then we can let the public in. The public can come into these houses starting Friday, the 23rd of September. So there's still a little bit to do with this village. We've got to put our signage around, get the walkways done, and we'll be ready to go prime time come Friday.
Hello, my name is Manny Dorticos. I'm the project architect of the FIU Perform Dance House. Well, the Perform Dance House is a very dynamic home. It responds to the external conditions of the environment and the internal conditions of the users. Well, affordable housing in the tropics is a very challenging thing to take on because of the hurricane issues that we have to address. Being in South Florida, we've developed a system of hurricane shutters that extend throughout most of the year to provide shading for the house. They also add to the aesthetic of the house, but most importantly, they're protected during the hurricane season, which is the whole purpose of them. The hurricane shutters that we've designed, they actually shade the house throughout most of the year by sitting on the horizontal position around the entire perimeter of the home. Now, they slide down based on those vertical and horizontal tracks that we've designed, so they slide very easily by simply pushing them to a certain height, and then a counterweight system that is implemented in the design takes over the rest of the panel and brings it up to its horizontal position. So it's really user-friendly. This house does feature a white roof, is highly reflective. That diminishes greatly the heat gain from the top of the house, which we all know is the most prominent square footage where we get that heat inside the house. So it helps us tremendously in also reflecting some of that light back up into our solar panels, so we generate much more energy and the panels themselves become a lot more efficient.
We're here with the University of Illinois at URBANA, Champaign. They were the second place finishers in 2009, and we expect great things out of them. I hear their design is a concept around disaster relief, so I'm here with Michael, and he's going to tell us all about it today. Your house looks really great. You've only got a day and a half to be competition ready. Do you think you're going to get there?
Yeah, I think we'll get there. We're really close. We're waiting on UPS. We're tracking down a rogue package of solar panel cables. So if we get a hold of those, we're going to be in good shape. We should be ready to go tomorrow afternoon.
My name is NOEL Harrison. I'm an architecture major and the public relations officer for Team Tidewater, and I attend Hampton University, and this is the Unit 6. The Unit 6 is one unit of a 6-unit multifamily building. The Team Tidewater believes that multifamily buildings are the way to go in a walkable center city, where 6 families would share the infrastructure cost of the solar panels and all of the green technologies associated with making this house run with net zero energy use. This is essentially the top right unit of that 6-unit multifamily building. We've designed the house so that it is a single family use for the competition, but we're actually in the process of designing the full multifamily 6-unit building in tandem with this building. We're extremely excited to be introducing the furniture into the home. We're moving in the furniture, the fixtures, turning lights on, so it's really turning into a home instead of just a house that we've been working on for the last 2 years.
Our Solar Decathlon Village is located in West Potomac Park. It's right next to the tidal basin, in amongst the Jefferson Memorial, the Washington Monument, the Lincoln Memorial. Here on some baseball fields in West Potomac Park. We are delighted to be here, and we are enjoying building this village.